Ever wondered what makes a kitchen knife set truly remarkable? Let's dive into the details of a highly praised knife set that appears to meet cooking enthusiasts' needs. Customers are raving about the sharpness and build quality of this knife set. Many reviews highlight that it's crafted from a single piece of steel. This design ensures the knives are not only sharp but also reliable for slicing through thick cuts of meat with ease. When it comes to usability, owners appreciate the weight and balance of these knives. They're easy to hold and maneuver, making them perfect for various tasks in the kitchen. Customers claim they offer great value for money, and indeed, 90% of the reviews are positive regarding their sharpness and quality. While sharpness and quality shine through, some users express concerns about rust resistance. They report that, over time, the knives may start to rust if not properly maintained. Visually, customers love the look of these knives. The attractive design adds a stylish touch to any kitchen countertop. Many endorse hand washing to preserve their beauty and sharpness, which aligns with the knife's care instructions. In terms of a value for money perspective, reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Many customers affirm that the knife block set is affordable for the quality it provides. The built-in sharpener makes maintenance a breeze, ensuring you can keep using these knives for years. Cutting with these knives is a breeze. Reviewers find them efficient for various foods, from meats to vegetables. One reviewer specifically mentioned their perfect slicing capability with tomatoes and olives, further showcasing their versatility. Handling the knives comes naturally to many users. They appreciate the comfortable grip, which aids in their food prep duties. With a range of specialized knives included, these tools meet almost any chef's desires. In summary, this knife set is sharp, elegant, and affordable. It lasts well when properly cared for, although attention is required to prevent rusting. The overwhelming majority of users are satisfied, highlighting quality, ease of use, and value. Ready to enhance your kitchen experience? Don't hesitate to check out this amazing knife set today.